favorite show where we they call Bobos Yarn, we only save relationships since 2014. This now a freestyle Friday, and I'm sure we don't come with plenty, etc. and plenty things we want to take songs on today. Inside we bar, we get the regular suspects. The number one suspect has always been in the bar, and you've seen him throughout this week. The one and only peace ambassador, aka MC Shakara.
Yeah, let there be peace.
Let there be peace
in Nigeria.
Because you get sometimes peace, not even one day.
In our country.
No, Nigeria don't need peace.
In our offices.
Nigeria don't need peace.
In our workplace.
No peace.
Let there be peace. Let there be understanding. Because one thing that is affecting this country from the leadership to the smallest person on the street is understanding.
Understanding.
Do you understand? Even the strike that's going on now. If the we have strike. Some people sack workers and
you
understand. And then even you don't even doctors threaten to go on strike. And then one part of the body come pull out. Say them they know we will be surgeon or something.
Doctors inside NLC?
No, as in no, them doctors won't go on strike now.
Doctors on their own.
On their own.
I have to introduce the next man because before it come be like say
we have
now what do they worry you
no. Sometimes we never need introduction.
No, I just
they know he's the one faking age. The one they know him.
So we have the young person. We have the
new generation.
Yeah, they're supposed to call you youngest old man.
The new generation.
Youngest old man.
All the haters gonna hate. This song will be, as they go now. Fine boy, no pimple. Shakara won't be like me.
I leave them Alex Ekubo. Them fine boys who I know. They refine fish for soup.
No, they won't get plenty female.
These guys don't know.
You know all those girls.
Now those two naira girls who carry come my party. The two put together, they know this one.
No, not those ones now. Those girls they work with us. We come from one of them. That where he be like. She get one friend.
Yeah.
But why they lick your lips? Sure. You don't crack the game. You don't lick your lips. You disturb us from.
It's a boy. You don't escort tire.
He escort the girl.
He's disturbing Lagos.
And that one do until the girl get show. The girl be get one show for here now. The girl every day was going to Chocolate Royale and to buy food for the girl.
No. That one, they mistake me for yourself. Now you they buy food for babe where the carry girl go out. So they do that one.
That's a Shakara story.
You see why it's supposed to leave good legacy so that when you want to spank somebody.
No, but now you tell this story. Now you tell her now. He did not know all these lies. But now they believe it's all you talk now.
No. It was something that was visible everywhere.
It was everywhere. It was
everywhere. YouTube.
Your story was very popular, more than that of Jumoke. Yes.
So this weekend, what do you want to do this weekend? I need to know because for we don't have to ask ourselves how we want to take the weekend to be. So, what do you want to do this weekend? And add the crack, don't lie.
As you can see,
how many girls do you plan to be
get VIP?
My weekend, I have no girl you because I have a very busy weekend. Okay. The way it is, I wish I feel borrow, I feel clone myself into two because it gets something where won't pass me. It gets where they clash. Okay. You understand? And they call it wish because the other person don't tell me who I say. In wife or insist say now me because I don't tell us so I get very tight weekend. I don't know of anything.
So you know
crack for weekend.
See, let me tell you. Now when you free. No, but when person free,
you know the trend when you free.
So as you leave work, what I want to do now?
Shakara, inside that work, now you connect cranking.
Simple question.
Cranking no be cranking. My brother, cranking is no. I don't know how you gonna take cranking. You gonna take it like Nations Cup.
Okay, sorry. A girl go sleep your house this weekend.
Nobody's sleeping at my house, please.
No girl.
Nobody's sleeping over. Nobody's sleeping over.
Okay. Nobody's sleeping over.
So they go do and go. They will do collect their 1-5 go.
There's a difference with sleeping over.
They will do collect their 1-5 go.
You will be say copper. You copper better pass yesterday, you know.
Okay, make I ask him.
You copper. The only access.
The weekend at turn up.
Say this one. I don't want to ask you how your
What's
weekend
wrong
will
with
be.
you?
I never want to ask you how your
yeah,
weekend.
wait
Weekend
Hear
na
my
turn
question.
up free beer where you go find drink. Now be weekend
Get
now.
money.
Now be turn
I know
up.
what they feed for chocolate royale now.
This guy don't know as they go.
No be all those small.
Shakara, I don't know as they
Only
go.
when they pay salary.
When they do promo.
All the promoting. Wait till I want to ask you, no be the same thing I ask Shakara.
Oh, yeah, ask me.
This weekend and Choco.
What's it
Wetin
concern
you
the
na-
weekend and Jogo?
Wetin be una plan?
The weekend na artist now.
This one, no sure say this one. Just say you still get number.
That's true. Because that get on top model now.
My brother, the ministry is moving.
No, but wait. I wanted to ask you all this while. Were you really in love? You just wanted to. Don't talk am because say she dey always she fit watch am on YouTube.
If you just watch am,
because no say she no get TV for where she dey for na school she dey.
Mono just.
But were you in love with
Mono
Choco?
just. Yeah. I was in love.
Okay.
How
but
many
for-
girls were you in
you
love
say he
with?
was.
Were you in love with?
Yes, I was in love.
You were in love.
Yes.
Which
Were you
girl?
in love-
Which girl? Which girl? Have you ever had sex with a girl in the place where you dey work?
Steady now. Well.
You know get sense.
Him and
Excuse me.
Kabuchi.
You know get sense.
Come on,
Him and Kabuchi.
Bless it, no get
Never
sense.
like anybody for maybe for the year.
You sure?
No,
Shakara,
I won't
why
ask
you talk like say you know
why,
something?
I know why they ask you.
Why you talk like say you know
Because
something?
see these two boys. Him and Kabuchi.
No, Kabuchi like sex. Oh.
Eh?
Kabuchi like cranky.
Why be say people wey dey very brief in this thing?
Why
Then
are
they
all
believe.
different?
Who be this one? Bless Sunday, what do you?
Funny enough, oh, and they
You
say
go make
I don't
you
say.
go make Edo the
Bless Sunday, what do you?
Person wey dey respect you go make Edo disrespect
Why they
I'm
do like this?
trying to interview you right now.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
I've
Don't talk like
asked you a
say.
question about you talk say you were once in love with her.
Yes. There
So now
was.
you no love
It
her
was
again.
very passionate. You know
So
that.
the girl be no agree for you.
It was passionate.
We
No,
discussed
no.
the topic. The girl
No,
was she playing hard to get.
She was playing hard to get actually.
Okay.
You know. And as I be,
You know the girl.
I talked am before. Yeah.
You see, but you see
Was
why
she playing hard to get abi she look you? She doesn't say fine boy, no fine boy, I go chop.
See this
She
guy.
don't look say
Shakara,
fine boy, I go chop.
why?
you know why I know say
No, let me-
you know why I know say you know why I know say
The guy give us a blame. Instead of you to come work harder now, now that you are working hard, and of
We are
course,
working hard now.
Of
Working
course.
harder than.
then and now.
But she no
don't be
say
same
not
again.
be by work hard. Now work smart. Now what you do?
no, but you know where I want to
as
enter
they
you.
go.
You know where I want to enter you.
Oh, you want to do Yahoo? No, you are telling people on national television now that you want to go into fraudulent.
You know where I want to enter you.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, some days ago, if not yesterday.
Yeah.
You
talk
clearly
to me.
talk about when we talk about hard to get. You talk say you cannot spend plenty time.
Yeah, no.
Wait, chasing a girl. Say you go walk away. As far as I'm concerned, to do now IT they do abi. I mean na NYSC.
No, IT they do.
That was like 1 year,
No. IT in like 6 months.
6 months. So
Yeah, brother, no be NYC.
no, IT. I choke
So you say,
I
Want to know that I was not familiar. If I was familiar, I would
Can I
know.
interview two of you
I was
today?
not familiar.
I want to interview
I'm
two of
not
you.
familiar.
Shakara, you are not familiar with that waist.
It's free time. I want to interview
You are sure
two
you're not
of you.
familiar with the waist?
So leave Shakara is a very Shakara. I know him.
Shakara, you know say the first time where I see that babe, now with you. For a go there.
We went for a
For a
show.
go there. So you remember?
We went
Yeah,
for a show.
Shakara.
Now wildlife now.
Shakara,
We go wildlife.
Shakara, tell me what happened that night.
Yeah, you carry go.
You go a go there. Wow.
I don't understand the folding hand where you did. You ask me like, well don't know my part. Wait. I don't confused.
Shakara.
No, my part brother.
In no respect.
Say I will put that up.
Shakara, in no respect, say you go do that kind of thing.
That girl is underage for you now.
Shakara, in no respect.
And you dey tell me say nothing. Say this girl, they groom this girl. She's your
It's
daughter.
a grooming
watching.
thing. She now you be.
So what's happened after the AY life? Because AY life they close late.
My
Brother,
brother,
wildlife. I put her for cap. Go house.
now midnight.
Sir.
Shakara,
AY life end at 4 a.m.
That girl they live close to where me and you did.
Now 4
I
a.m.,
never even moved
4:30
that time.
a.m.
I've not moved
Oh
then.
yes. So what? Okay.
I was
So
still in Surulere.
Shakara, that girl went back.
You are
home.
still hustling that
She went
year.
back home.
Okay. Yeah, I know when you dey talk true.
She went back home. Seriously.
She went back home. So Edewo, before I go on this break, Edewo, you told us yesterday or 2 days ago, say when most girl they do anyhow, hard to get, you go discharge.
Yeah.
You stayed 6 months chasing.
No. There's something you should understand. I wasn't chasing 6 months.
What were you doing? Taking out chocolate every day?
We there on a level where not be the chasing.
But
level.
you clearly let every other guy know say na your girlfriend. Nobody fit even go near to
No.
the girl.
Now wait till you understand. See, wait till me understand me.
I
say,
asked you.
we know they I wasn't chasing her for 6 months. No.
Okay, the 4 months.
No, you know reach like that.
3.
I'm better than
That means you don't even get vibe.
I'm better than that.
You don't get. You wait, you come here. You gonna smash. The new generation back.
Wait. What I
Because
don't make you understand is not because say guy and girl, no they say okay we be boyfriend and girlfriend, right? That one no mean say things no they happen. When you know they feel alright. Did you see how Shakara do right? At least Shakara knows this. Shakara an experienced man.
I'd love to hear you.
He didn't mean experienced man.
Shakara is one man I know that if there's no girl, if Shakara knows that this mission is not going to end at the promised land, he won't waste his energy. I know Shakara. That guy carry and go, you were just a school daughter. That was why.
So Shakara carry
your goddaughter. Yes,
my goddaughter now.
Oh, na goddaughter.
I have to see the show live. That's
Yes. Are you perform that day, Abi?
I did, yes.
Now you know about
That is how
us.
you want perform that you like.
Now you know about us.
No, that carry get to go perform is very risky. The day when be say you don't do well.
No, but you don't say you good. So you might you know say you exactly. And let me tell you, every comedian where they carry girl go show we go perform. Don't rehearse well because you don't want fall in hand.
You know, no say
And
you
you
want
know
see
say
that night.
No. You know
So
what
make you come see us.
Basically, let me do a confession. You know what that thing they do?
Right now, I have to go on the break. When I come back, Shakara has true confession about.
It's not about,
I don't
it's
care.
about the state of when you take a girl out. It gives you a motivation. You understand? Knowing that there's somebody I brought,
Now I talk.
I must not form my. Unlike when you go alone,
Yes.
you're there more relaxed. Just you know, even you understand. You know, they too put more effort, but when you know the person there, we die there. You know, even if now you to jump.
And if the person come big, get that kind of waste, you will die there.
I take this break. We die there in this break. When we come back, we'll sit down there. No go anywhere. Okay, we don't come back. For those who are just join us right now, this one is still that your night tonic where we call Bobosia and saving relationships since 2014. It's a freestyle Friday. Shakara is here, and today Shakara we've been on his goddaughter or school daughter called
And
very fine girl, and the devil has been on. Now these two girls are friends. These two girls were doing IT.
Yes, sir, please. We want to ask you a question on behalf of myself and the devil.
No, let me finish the question.
No, we just want before we move on.
Yes.
Because we don't understand. You understand? There are people that you see, you know, these people are dating. Like my own was clear that I was scared.
Better see that here. Better see that
But we were confused on your own. Please, what was your relationship? What was your relationship?
No, I don't want to say so.
We are still talking about
showman. It's a freestyle Friday. Let's freestyle.
Yes.
Well, because we don't understand. We have some relation that we know of Caesar and someone. Then we know this they were dating.
Yes.
This and this. But we're confused.
You get cigar for years.
We are confused.
You get cigar.
Showman.
You get cigar.
What was your relationship with? How was it like?
How was your relationship with?
Yes. Was it like
because
a brother and sister?
We were actually confused. We were not sure what's going on.
You see them, they'll fight.
Yes.
During when we were in that
Oh my God.
they'll fight and then
But
they will
now
want.
you make us forget these two topics.
No. We have answered you now.
answered.
I wasn't done.
We have answered. So tell us about you and
Secondary school. I like history.
yes.
Please.
What happened to you?
What was it like? What was really happening?
Okay, you can be very truthful.
Who was falling in love with who?
Let me tell you
Who
how.
was liking who?
Let me tell you the story.
Where was the liking?
When I know the first time I come here to come find work, you understand, for the interview, we already begin the work for here. So we did for it's either they drink like that.
We like the story. Go on.
Story to digest.
So I go. The interview be there for Cool FM. I know I still say Kabuchi be there down and the rest when they do the interview. So when I go up, come see me. You can tell when a girl recognizes greatness. Now she don't look me. No, it was obvious. It was very obvious.
Saw the greatness.
She saw the greatness
Now
in
she
you.
don't come the form coming to sit down beside me. They say, "How are you? Did you come for interview?" Meanwhile, the reason why she dey flock around, be say a day before they don't make noise for Cool FM lobby and MD. When they do interview, on the para say, who be people wey make noise? One of them. So she come to explain herself, give MD say, no be noise, now one thing. Now she come see me. Now her first say, she say hi, you understand?
Okay.
So
Okay, please.
After
please,
that,
save us the how
let's
you
go to the
met.
point where things
well, I
started
didn't know that
happening.
you guys met. What was the relationship like?
Yeah.
So, was it more of a just hello, hi, or did you know your house?
By any chance?
Any chance?
You know, sure. You
Showman,
don't remember.
hold the calabash.
Oh no!
Wait now.
Hold the calabash. Whether
Hold the calabash and call the cuckoo.
There was a.
And say,
there was.
you don't know my house.
No, I remember when she knew my house. She knew my house after over a year of being friends. You understand?
And after then, she kept knowing
She
it.
kept knowing it.
I don't know why anybody kept knowing it.
Oh, they were not meeting in the house.
There are days that maybe
They're not meeting in the house.
she needs me to drop her, or she might not want to go to her house because.
So therefore, we cannot say you people had what the Englishman call friends with benefits.
With benefits.
Or it was really mutual.
No, we are
Can you say it was mutual confidently?
Yes,
Hold the calabash.
Mutual, hold the calabash, hold the calabash. Say it, cuckoo. Say it, cuckoo. If what we had was just mutual,
If what we had
Was just mutual.
let me drop.
let me drop.
Let me drop down. You know when I say drop down, I die without
Let me drop down.
This guy is a criminal.
Have to go on this little break because these guys will not cuckoo me here. When we come back, we'll try and talk a bit and we'll wrap the show. Don't go anywhere when they come back.
Say it, cuckoo.
Okay, welcome back. In case you just joined us and you wonder, say who be these three guys in the on top of your television screen. My name is Showman Shakara Dey here, Edemo Dey here, and this is your Freestyle Friday when we dey talk everything. Today it could be like say we want to expose people. So, but in case you still want to chook mouth and you want to follow us, you can go and see the information when they scroll under your screen and make sure say you drop in all the thing where you need to talk about. But right now, I will go back to.
This guy shout one
I will
for.
go back to Choco.
Oh yeah, let's go back.
I even prefer we don't leave this guys alone. And let's see if there's anything.
The only pressing issue that I would have said that happened long time ago is still that the fact that there's still no light in Nigeria.
No,
And
that has been pressing for years.
Yes,
now.
That has been a pressing issue. In short,
It's
sometimes you don't
a-
have light to press.
We don't have time to press because
So I don't know whether we fit all solicit beg Fashola.
Make me beg.
We don't be there here now. Now
Please.
Minister of Power.
Do something.
Give us light.
Do something.
You don't have to increase the poverty or make people suffer more
Do
before you
something.
fit say they fit give us light. If Nigeria get light, a lot of things. Now people they go bribe. If you weekend like this, where they put now from tomorrow now, people they go bribe all these bars where they sell beer everything. They go pay them money. Say when they take life or poor house, so you go fit come outside.
Okay.
Come, yes.
Are you
Come, but
serious?
check now, check weekend now, most weekends. You know, especially when Nigeria won't play match.
They go
tell
off
you.
like
When
fast.
Nigeria won't play
So
match,
people they will come your viewing center.
the
Come they
problem
drink
be say
beer.
people don't say Nigeria no Super Eagles
Hey.
again. So that one the worst pass.
now EPL
Now
and the
EPL
rest.
and Champions League.
But why are we neglecting our own stuff? I remember back in the days when I be Plateau United supporter, you know?
Very old man, yes.
Yes. I was the supporters club of Plateau United
You
in
play,
Jos.
but you played in one club.
Did
now.
you play in a club?
No, you play.
No, Rangers biscuit.
You be like Canada United, which one?
I played football playfully. No, be say I played.
Yes, that's what they do.
I
They
don't
play.
play for Nigeria League. I was
don't
not
play
quali- I don't
professionally.
play. I don't play for.
You were too young or too old?
On your leg, no
Why would I
straight or
be
which
too
one?
old then?
Are you sure you're not too old?
What's wrong with you?
No, but yes.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
Ask me